Hello, young folks and everybody else. This is Mr. Tolbert. This is the Friday's lesson this coming Friday, February 7th. And what I wanted to do is break down the genotypes and gametes a little bit more, a slowed down version of it, just so that we have a greater and a better understanding. So, what is a genotype? Genotype is a complete genetic makeup of an organism. So all the genes in the organism, all the letters, it contains two alleles, two letters for each gene. An allele is a trait, like having hair or having feet. So you get one having hair and from your mom, and one having hair from your dad, and one having feet from mom, and one from dad. The combination of those, if they are capital or lowercase, gives you the phenotype. Phenotype is how it's going to actually appear. It could be dominant, it could be recessive. Okay. Gametes, if you weren't sure, are sex cells. They are the sperm in the egg. They're also known as, another name for them, haploid, or cells with half of the genetic makeup of the parent cell. Each of these gametes only have one copy of the gene, not two, because only half is necessary. This process starts from the parent genes being, here in the case, capital B, lowercase b, all the way down to just one letter, if it's just a capital B or just a lowercase b. Gamete has a 50% chance of carrying either of those alleles. Alleles are traits. Some examples of this: hair texture. Here's one we got: straight versus wavy. Notice the two capital letter S's is straight. Straight, the capital S is dominant, lowercase recessive. So anytime the capital S appears with the hair texture, it's going to show, unless you have this right here, this situation curly, it is fully recessive. I hope this helps you understand it a little bit better. Keep on looking up, and I'll check you out next time. Oh, I forgot to give you the roundup, the everything about it really fast. So, genotype. Genes, it's the total letters, two letters, or two alleles. Alleles are traits or two genes. Gametes, they are sex cells. Gametes only have one letter because they only require half of the genes, because it takes two to create a new person. This is why we have talked about or been shown this process called meiosis. Meiosis creates gametes from genotypes. Meiosis is how sex cells are created from regular cells. It's also known as gene reduction, from two copies of a gene down to one. This creates variety among humans. I hope everything is good for you. I'll talk to you another time.